Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are
Hana Anissa and
Ariana Dayani, the students presenters for the BaTuRa 2024 showcase.
Did you know that there are 3 common problems faced by Year 3 students at SK Taman Nirwana, namely difficulty in constructing simple sentences based on pictures for the Malay language subject, difficulty in constructing simple sentences based on pictures for the English language subject, difficulty in solving addition and subtraction operations collectively. To overcome these issues, an innovation has been created to help students in learning, known as the BaTuRa Kit.
The BaTuRa Kit is a kit that contains exercises for building simple Malay and English sentences, basic addition and subtraction exercises, as well as fun mathematical games. Therefore, this BaTuRa Kit can be used during lessons for 3 subjects: Malay, English, and mathematics.
There are 3 main objectives for introducing the BaTuRa Kit: to guide students in constructing simple sentences in Malay and English, to provide students with an understanding of basic addition and subtraction in mathematics, to offer interesting mathematical games for students.
This innovation is designed to suit the topics in Malay, English, and mathematics for primary school level 1. However, this kit can also be used by students at level 2. Now, let's see how to use the BaTuRa Kit for English sentence construction exercise.
First, students need to take a picture from the box. Then, they circle one of the activities shown in the picture. The formula for constructing English sentences is SEAL, which stands for Superman and Iron Man love taekwondo. Superman subject and activity. Iron Man item. Love location. Taekwondo time.
Using the set formula, students arrange the cell components in this space. Then, students can construct sentences by selecting appropriate words from the small box.
Subject, my mother. Activity, cooks. Item, fried noodles. Location, at the kitchen. Time, in the morning.
Students can construct several sentences based on the picture they selected earlier. Subject, he. Activity, watches. Item, television. Location, in the living room. Time, after dinner.
Hope our explanation helps. Thank you and bye.